this is screen protector for the iPhone XS, or you can also put it on iPhone X. And so here it says that it's a full cover, round edge, anti-impact, anti-shock, wear resistance, scratch proof, oleophobic, anti-fingerprint, or whatever. So this is a screen protector from Thinkware, but that's not important, I think. The way I'm going to show you, you can actually use it for any screen protector or for any phone actually. So let's begin. So installation tools, then there's this installation guide, and finally this is actually for your help. You can put this on your phone so that you can easily put the screen protector. So this is pretty handy actually, this is pretty good. So always try to buy some screen protector which have this assisting device. And now the screen protector, I think it's pretty decent. Okay. I don't know, did they give me two? or does it come with two or three? I had no idea, guys. I thought this is just one screen protector, but it looks like it's three. But that's good. So I don't actually need three, I just need one of them. So, and now that you have three, actually, if your first installation doesn't go as you would like, or if there are bubbles after the screen protector installation, then you can just take it off and throw it away and put another one. So that's good, I think. Okay, let's begin. So there are some dry wipes. These are for cleaning the dust or anything like that, and these are dust stickers. Guys, this is very important. The surface you are using for attaching the screen protector to your phone needs to be very clean. Otherwise, the dust on the table or dust on the surface will get into your phone. So always make sure your working surface is clean. And always clean the screen in a well-lit place, because if there is not enough light, you are not going to see all the tiny dust that's on your screen. Okay, so I have used a dry wipe. Now I'm going to use the wet wipe. Very careful and very gentle. Okay, I think it's pretty clean, so we are just going to go to the next step. So place the screen protector guidance frame on top of the phone. Okay. Now we are going to use the dust stickers. This is the final step of cleaning any dust. I don't see any dust here, but still. So now I have cleaned my screen and it's completely dust free. I can tell you that. So the final stage is to take the screen protector cover. Okay guys, you have to be careful here so that you don't touch the side that has glue on the screen protector. So now what you have to do, you have to put this font side first, and after that you just put your finger over here and go through the middle. See, it's being beautifully done. Actually, I don't have much experience on putting up a new screen protector, but as you can see, this has been done beautifully, and there is no bubble at all, and it's pretty darn clean. And actually, I'm very happy with myself. Now you can use one of the used wet wipes or one of the wipes to clean the upper side of the screen protector. You don't really need it, but still, because you're going to throw it away anyway. Yeah. So here's my new iPhone XS with its brand new protector, and I think it looks pretty darn good. Thank you for watching.